I honestly thought we were all just coming to celebrate the 65th anniversary of our school. I know there was a lot of excitement for it. I just thought we were all coming to celebrate our wonderful school. The moment I heard my name, I was in disbelief. I really couldn't. I just went numb in a sense. And then all my students came running up on me. And then in that moment, it started to feel like this is real life. So I am a product of Chatham County Schools. I went to school at Bonnley Elementary. I went to high school at Chatham Central. Once I turned 21, I wanted to have my bus license because I worked at the Boys and Girls Club, and an opportunity came available for me to go back to Chatham Central and drive a school bus, and I did that part-time for 7 years. And as I was there, the principal, Mr. Stensland and Dr. Eanes, they encouraged me that you can do more, like seek out getting a full-time position with the school. And so I thought about it, and then I actually pursued it. I went back to school. Well, I joined the school system full-time as an instructional assistant. I did that for 2 years, and then my teacher, Ms. Sturdivant, was like, you can do better, like it's time to do something else. And that made me look into teaching, and here I am today. I like teaching elementary school just because it goes with my favorite quote. Every child deserves a champion that believes in them and never gives up in them. Just building those connections, telling students that they can do things, and then seeing them apply their full potential and reach their goals. Because you want to have the best of the best that's leading and guiding the future. Because if you're the students that are in front of us, they're going to be leading the society in a couple of years. So we got to prepare them for the future. My name is Shane Henderson. I teach 4th grade at Pittsboro Elementary School in Pittsboro, North Carolina, and I am a Milken Educator.